I should have tested. I think it is audible now. It's audible now. Just give me a thumbs up if it is audible now. No sound. Okay, it's audible now. Okay, Ganesh. Okay, thank you so much for letting me know. Otherwise, I was talking to people and people were not able to listen to me. Now, are you able to listen to me? Give me a yes. Yes, can listen to you. Yes, audible. Okay, Ganesh, thank you. Neeraj, thank you. Ashwin bhai, thank you for dropping in. Okay, great. I'll restart. No problem. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So, okay, top of the funnel is not a new thing for you. People who are watching, top of the funnel is not a new thing. But top of the funnel, with respect to full funnel marketing, is the topic for today. Okay. So, let's take an example. If you want to build a 30-storied building, okay, let's say it is 3 and maybe 600-foot tall building, you need to dig deeper below the ground, then only that building will survive. Same thing happens if you want to build a very solid bottom of the funnel. Your top of the funnel should be super strong. So today we are going to discuss about what are the things we should do in the top of the funnel with respect to full funnel marketing, so that your bottom of the funnel is almost like robust. It should not be a struggle at the bottom of the funnel. You should not struggle to basically convert sales. So this is a trilogy basically. So today we'll talk about top of the funnel with respect to full funnel marketing. Then next week we'll talk about middle of the funnel with respect to full funnel marketing. And yes, in the last part, in the third video, we'll talk about bottom of the funnel. Then we'll again revise it in the fourth video. So Amar bhai, thank you for coming in. Ashwin, thank you so much. Thank you for your input. Ganesh, thank you. Neeraj, thanks for dropping in. Viduji, thank you for coming again. Hi Parminder bhai, kaise ho? Okay, let's get started, guys. So I'll make it as simple as possible. Basically, these videos are basically explainer, and this will not go deeper into what to do and what are the tactics basically, but it will cover what you need to do. Rest, you guys are smart. Okay. Okay, let's get started. So full funnel marketing is data driven. So this graphics which is shown here explains it well. So there are so many touch points. There are so many touch points, and people come into the funnel. They do a lot of activity. So it can be like say this, see your social ad or social post. They just know about your brand. Then let's say they have some impression about your brand. They search about you on Google. Still not convinced. You remarket them on Facebook or you remarket them on Google. So or you give them an offer. They come to the cart. Don't purchase, then you show a testimonial and they purchase. Okay, then after 3 months you tell them show them an ad or send an email that oh, we are missing you, why don't you take this 10% and purchase from us. So it can be a mix of all this, and there are numerous touch points in full funnel marketing, and this diagram of a funnel with data points explains that. Okay, great. So what are the benefits of full funnel marketing? I've already explained in last session. See this, right side is typical marketing where you are doing multiple funnels: email funnel, Google funnel, Facebook funnel, Instagram funnel. You are doing something in LinkedIn. You are doing SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing. It's like juggling. Okay, you have to balance a lot. Left side is full funnel marketing, which is a holistic way of looking at your funnel. So I'll just quickly take you through the benefits of full funnel marketing. It is 360 degree, and it is 30,000 feet view, and it covers everything from branding to sales. It is multi-channel, or you can call it omni-channel. So the entire buyer journey is tracked. That is the beautiful part of full funnel marketing, and we leverage the full potential of our funnel basically, and it is data driven. So there is no guesswork. As search, digital marketing is data driven. Digital marketing is not a guesswork. Digital marketing is not about whether it will happen or it will not. If it happens, we know why it happened. If it did not happen, we know why it did not happen. I always tell that if you plan and execute your thing, if you succeed, you can repeat your success. If you fail, you know why you failed, so you don't repeat that, right? So moving ahead, so top of the funnel with respect to full funnel, and these are the topics, these are the elements of some full funnel marketing. So content marketing, social media, SEO, email, Google ads, and social ad. I have covered this. So somebody is spamming in YouTube. Okay, great. Cool. Okay, cool. Okay, guys. So content funnel, how to create a content funnel. We have discussed about other stuff about how to create content funnel and all this stuff. But today let us talk about the top of the funnel and the with respect to content funnel. So what kind of content we should create in the top of the funnel? So ideally, top of the funnel audience are people who are exploring, who are seeing you for the first time. They are exploring. They have a wish or a desire. They may not have a need or a want. Okay, they may or may not have need or a want also. You don't even know whether they have a urgency, they have a intent, they have the buying power, but they have some interest. Okay, so what we should do in the top of the funnel is we should basically publish and create educational blogs. Educational blog doesn't mean academic blogs. Educational blogs can be anything that educates your target audience about your product or service. For example, if I say what is a full funnel marketing, that is an educational blog. Okay, so let's say if I'm selling a 32 GB RAM, 256 GB mobile phone, so my blog can be that, leverage, create high quality video with and process it on your mobile phone with a 32 GB uh, uh, mobile, and store it on a 256 GB RAM. Sorry, hard disk or whatever it is, memory. So it explains it educates you. You can also have explainer blogs. For example, let's say I'm talking about marketing. I'm talking about a new concept which I want to push to the market. I should explain about that. It can be also be a list can be anything like, top 3 things you should do, top 10 thing you should do while doing this, while doing that, 3 ways you can succeed in full funnel marketing, top 10, some examples I'm giving, top 10, what do you say, top 10 reasons, top 10 features uh, you should have in your phone if you want to create content for social media, or if you are a video creator. You should also have lead magnets. Lead magnets can see, this list can be easily converted to lead magnets. You can have explainer blocks, and if you add on a explainer video to that, nothing like it. So Swaga, right? And you can have demo videos also. If you have a product, if you have a SaaS product or a software product, you can do demo videos. Now the whole purpose of doing it is to make them aware, that, this kind of thing is available. Second thing is they know who is doing this. Your company is doing it, your business is doing. So both branding and awareness is done using this type of content. Amar Bhai has a suggestion: write text on full funnel image with your brand name can be used as X. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. Moving ahead, guys, uh, how we can do email funnel. Okay, email, what should we do in the top of the funnel activity for email marketing? So ideally we should send an intro mail. We should not sell at the first instance. Even if you got a database, don't jump into selling. Suppose many people purchase databases and they start marketing. So even if you have got a list, if you have a old list or a purchase list, or if you have got it from somewhere, don't start selling it. You must not sell at the first instance. Selling at first instance is like, going to a girl and telling that, hey, do you want to marry me? Okay, don't do that mistake. And yeah, autoresponder can be a very good top of the funnel activity in email marketing. So no matter whatever way, suppose you are doing a lead ad or a basically Google ad with a landing page form or any kind of thing. So autoresponder is the first touch point for your subscriber or your target audience. So autoresponder will act as a top of the funnel. If they start opening, they become warm. So till they don't open, their lead score in email tool is maybe less. If they start opening your mail, the lead score open becomes bigger. If they start clicking on your links, it becomes higher. So first instance, first touch point, uh, first interaction should be very subtle. It should not be pushy. It should be about them. It should be about building a starting a relationship. Like everyone who does email marketing, they know that first mail should not have graphics, first mail should not have videos. It can be a plain simple text email with or without links, or maybe hardly we can put at most one link. Okay, there should not be any selling first of all. And the whole objective is to engage the opener. So people who are opening the mails, we should take them further in the journey in the middle of the funnel. So are you with me, guys? Give me a thumbs up or just say yes, so that I know you are with me, you are getting my thing. I'll quickly run through this. This is more like this trilogy session is more like a explainer, so that people can use it, because this people started asking me on LinkedIn and also on Facebook that, okay, now I have understood, now how to do it, how do I implement, give me some steps, give me some like tangible thing, enough of concept, or say, okay, let's go ahead and do that. So moving ahead, thank you Ganesh, thank you Dhiraj, Neeraj, thank you. Arpit, good to see you, man. Thank you. Great. Moving ahead. Social media, not the social ad. What we should do in social media, let's say we are posting something on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and or maybe any other platform. So, what are the focus we should have? We should talk about our brand from the customer's point of view. Okay. If I tell that I am a big brand, nobody cares about that actually. Okay, तो अपना घर में होगा. Okay, don't tell that our brand is this, that, blah blah, blue blue blue. Not like that. Let's say if I tell about my brand, let's say okay, budget. Okay, so budget is somebody. We talk about this, that your growth, our expertise. So our expertise comes second. Your growth comes first. So when they remember budget, they'll remember that catch line. Okay, your growth, our expertise. It's not our expertise, your growth. Okay, so branding, how people should remember you, you should do accordingly. Simple. Branding is all about how you want to be remembered, how you want to be recollected as. Acha brand, bura brand, costly brand, cheap brand, अच्छा मतलब बहुत अच्छा brand, user friendly brand, customer centric brand, whatever it is, right? Then you should do some activities which should build a trust. Show numbers that we have helped this person, we have helped 200 students, we have helped 300 B2B companies, something like that. Also do a value proposition from again customer point of view. It is always about customers, always about your target audiences. You can post short videos on social. People do not have patience to run through long videos, so have short videos which quickly addresses one particular problem. In one video you don't have to basically explain everything, right? So if you have 10 benefits, if you are giving 10 benefits to your target audiences, so don't make a video with 10 benefits, maybe make it 10 small videos, so quickly they consume. If they are interested, you cannot stop them from browsing your social. They will explore. And have organize your videos with some proper keywords, proper hashtags, put it in a series so that people can identify and discover. Okay. And the whole objective of social media is to create their create an awareness. People should know about you, and you should increase the curiosity. And if they have the curiosity, they will move to the next level in the buyer's journey. Now SEO and Google ads from the top of the funnel point of view are almost same. So what we should do, if you are optimizing your SEO, so ideally you should uh, target ranking your website or your blog for low intent keywords. I'll show an example here, uh, or I'll just tell that, let's take an example. Let us show. Without showing, it will not be clear actually. So let me share my screen here. So okay, so if I say mobile phone with 16 GB RAM. Okay. So if I'm doing mobile phone with 16 GB RAM, it has an intent, but it doesn't have a purchase intent. Probably somebody is exploring. Or I'll give one more example. Let's say, full funnel marketing, or let's say funnel marketing. People who are searching this kind of keywords, maybe students, maybe people who are digital marketers, people who are agencies, people who are business owners. So a student will search for a different purpose, a business owner will search for a different purpose, but they want to explore. Are you getting my point? Low intent keyword doesn't mean junk keyword. Low intent has to be there. Are you getting my point? Just type intent if you are getting my point. Low intent is not junk keywords. It has an intent, but low intent. Clear? Just type intent if you are getting my point. So I know that I'm able to connect it. I'm still connected. Okay, super. So yeah, there is intent. So if somebody wants to know about this product or service. Okay, perfect. Yeah, there is intent, but low intent. It may not be. Abhigyan Babu, good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you. Okay, so you should basically see, it's easy to rank on a non-selling keywords. Okay, people do not want to be sold, people do not want to be preached. That's why we should target people with low intent keyword, educate them, take them further in the journey. Okay, so low intent keyword, question based phrases basically. So what is full funnel marketing? Which phone has 24 GB, 32 GB RAM, something like that. It can also be a long tail or a broad keyword, broad key phrase. Okay. For this, we need to create long form of content, probably blogs with the 2000 words with a video, nothing like it. And if you have a video, long form of video in YouTube with a 10 minutes or 15 minutes video, that also works with proper description, proper hashtag, proper keyword, and proper grouping. It will work. So the whole objective of top of the funnel for SEO from a point of view is to drive traffic to the blog or the YouTube. So I'm talking from SEO point of view. So I'm taking the two examples. There are many other examples also. So our whole objective is to get them, then filter their intent in the next level. Okay, so I'll just quickly go to the next level. Google Ads is the same thing. The difference between SEO and Google is, in SEO we are organically doing it, in Google Ads we are using Google ad platform to publish, to get traffic. Simple. If you can't rank, spend money till you rank. Simple. So is it clear? Google top of the funnel is clear. SEO and Google Ads. Is it clear? So you can type Google TOFU, or Google, you can just type Google if you are clear. The whole idea is to get traffic who are just starting, okay, who may not have an intent, may or may not have an intent, okay. An objective is to get them to your website, create a touch point, because once you get them to your website or YouTube channel or Facebook page, they will engage, they will click on your website, your pixel will capture, Google remarketing thing will capture, there will be WhatsApp button in your website, and the relationship will start. Okay, okay, clear, great. Moving ahead. So basic difference here is, I'll just repeat it, rank or get traffic for low intent keyword. For example, here, if you see that if I say full funnel marketing, your blog may rank, okay, but it can also be full for a marketing agency. So this has a medium level of intent, so somebody is ranking for this. Wow, my website is also ranking. Cool. सही है. I'm so happy. भाई एग्जाम्पल दिखा रहे हो, अपना ही साइड दिख रहा है. Very nice. Okay, so here there is an intent. People are searching for an agency. When they are searching for an, both my websites are ranking. This is also my website. Okay, both the websites are ranking. Full funnel marketing agency, funnel marketing agency, full funnel marketing. Super. So here they have an intent. Now if I make it full funnel marketing agency in Bangalore, it will be again super targeted, so it has a very high intent, right? Here I have to rank. Okay, this is ranking. My second website is ranking, so that is fine. I've captured them, both the website, different type of content. In cosmicquest.in, I have a different content. Oh, it is also ranking here. So this is what I wanted to say, that we want to rank for low intent keyword funnel marketing. So if I have a blog, also another example. For example, here, people are not searching for an agency, but people are searching for a profitable funnel marketing. Let us see if I'm ranking somewhere here. Okay, it is also ranking here. Okay, it is coming in Google Ads. Probably somewhere it should. Okay, my blog is ranking. My ad is also ranking here, right? So I'm capturing both through SEO. This is the Google ad. This is the organic blog. Okay, here my training platform is also ranking in ads. So I'm not leaving any mode of like leaving people. I'm not leaving any leakages. There is no leakages. I'm capturing people from different platforms, different ways, SEO and Google ad. So if it is clear, we move to the next part, what we should do for the social. Okay, in the social ads, basically we have to do three activities. We want to do brand awareness. People know about our brand. We reach out our target audiences, okay, whether they know or do not know. Let's say I want to launch my product in a particular location, so I should filter my target audience, and I should show my video, my ad, and I should let them know, oh, here I am. Okay, I'm there for you. Reach is that brand awareness is letting them know about you, either your brand or your product or service. Okay, it can be any of the things. Video view is a small way of creating a buzz, explaining short small capsules of content. Not, you should not do a 10 minutes video for a branding awareness thing. People do not have patience. Probably you can say that, let's say full funnel marketing in your thing. Okay, bad example. Let's say what is that, now you can repair your cycle in your city. So cycle wala is there in your city. That is more than enough. Okay, it can be very simple, 3 seconds video. Worried about your kids cycle repairing, cyclewala.com is here. Probably if somebody is watching, I create stuffs where people actually get domain ideas, so probably somebody will pick up that also. And so yeah, that is more than enough. 3 minute video is more than enough, or maybe less than 3 minute video, 30-second video. Worried about your kids cycle repair, cyclewala.com is here in Bangalore. That's it, more than enough. That kind of videos, that kind of engagement, that kind of branding and awareness and reach ad we should do in the social thing. This will actually create a buzz that, oh, there is an opportunity, there is someone. They will not judge. First they will say, oh, okay, fine, acha bura, chota bada, whatever it is, somebody is there. So when you are not selling, they will not judge you, as simple as that. Unless you are doing a very tall claim, they will not judge you. So do not make claims in the first instance. Okay. फर्स्ट डेट में जाके मेरा बाप कौन है बोलने से बोलेगा बाप के पास ही जा बोलेगी, राइट? सो करेक्ट. Amar bhai, thank you are actually validating, and this is great. Highlight the problem and get the solution, get their attention. Basically highlight the problem or just show the solution, or maybe you can show it in a series. If you want to launch a brand there, highlight on the problem for 2 days. Next 2 days you show the solution. Next 3 days you said, oh yeah, the people who are giving the solution. That's it. Yeah, objective is done. Somebody is spamming in YouTube. Okay, no problem. So continuing this, now what is the use of all this thing, how this is linked in the full funnel? Okay, all we need is we want to capture intent. All we need is we want to capture tangible data points, user info, behavior, intent. See how we can track intent in digital. If somebody clicks on your video, okay, they have some intent, watches the video for 75% to 100%, super intent, watches the video, clicks on the call to button, goes to the landing page and comes back, maybe some more intent, stays in the landing page for 3 minutes, some more intent, okay, fills up a form, some more intent, okay, fills up the form, you send them an email, opens the mail, some more intent, okay, clicks on the mail, downloads the PDF, again some more intent. Imagine that, वो प्रोग्रेस बार बड़ा 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 गेम में होता है ना, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, 100% हो जाएगा. तो क्या, डाउनलोड द PDF, शेड्यूल से कॉल, अटेंड से मीटिंग, डिपेंडिंग ऑन, सो जितना ज्यादा टच पॉइंट, द मोर टच पॉइंट्स वी हैव, द मोर इंटेंट वी हैव, or at least clarity. In marketing we say either yes or no, we should know. If somebody is saying no, he is doing a favor to us, because he is saving us from unnecessary doing nurturing, right? So these data points are very very crucial. So we need to capture these data points so that we can use them. Digital marketing is powerful because we can reuse data, and full funnel marketing is useful because you can use all this data. People who clicked on my ad, people who watched my video, people who came to my landing page, people who came to my website through a Google ad, people who came to my website through this particular Google ad. You can have that kind of data, you can capture all that kind of data, and you can do micro remarketing in a later stage. So the whole idea of doing this is, what do we collect, what is the people start asking about ROI from the first day, right? People ask about ROI, what is the ROI of this campaign we did for brand awareness, video view, एक भी result नहीं आया, no sales, what the hell you are doing, 3 days 10,000 rupees spent, no purchase. So what did we got out of that? Is basically we collect these things, we are deepening our root, we are digging it down inside digging down in the ground, we are making a pillar below the ground so that it can hold a 30-story building. So we collect clicks, engagements, landing page views, video views, we collect keywords which are giving us landing page view, we collect all this data, check their demography, what is their age group, which city they are from. I'll talk about a meme, right? कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आए हैं, right? So we need to know that in a positive sense, and we should filter them in the next layer. We should, based on their behavior, based on their intent, based on then where they click, how they came in, based on their source, we can define a path for them. Based on where they came from, we can define a path for them. So they will come from various sources. So let me share this screen again and show you what is the part in the funnel diagram. So this is the top of the funnel activities basically. So we get organic data, we do Facebook ads, get them to a website, not a landing page maybe, and we want them to know about our brand, know about our company. We may also do okay, this is not relevant, that's why I kept it here. We do Facebook post, we do Facebook stories, Instagram post, Instagram reels, and then remarket them to come to a page. So this engagement, this landing page view, opening an email, all these things are top of the funnel activity, which can be later connected to the middle of the funnel, and later middle of the funnel will be connected to the bottom of the funnel. I think I'll just show this here. Yeah. So these are the sections where we take care of the top of the funnel activity. People coming through Google SEO, people coming through Google ads, people coming through Facebook ads, people coming through Facebook posts, Instagram posts, or LinkedIn posts, or any other sources. So all these things, the whole objective of top of the funnel activity is to create a brand awareness, get their engagement, and we want to do it at scale. To brand awareness, if there are 10 lakhs people who have watched your video, you can easily narrow it down and you can get a good number of sales. This is the strategy we used for most of our campaign. The top of the funnel was super strong. If you have got wrong people in the top of the funnel, the next thing will also be disturbed. But if you have got good people, or at least some intent people, they will be actually being you can actually expect more people in the middle of the funnel. You can expect more people in the bottom of the funnel, because the whole idea is it's a funnel. People will leave you in each layer. दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे कि 10 लाख लोगों ने आपका ऐड देखा तो 10 लाख लोग खरीदेंगे नहीं. इट विल बी वेरी बिकम वेरी नैरो. तो every the deeper you go in the funnel, people will start leaving you, and only people with intent, urgency, and buying power will continue. Okay, your job is to show the right message at the right time. It's like a treasure hunt. Okay, treasure hunt, like you do this, then you'll give another tip, then you do that. So you can imagine your favorite treasure hunt. It can be money, it can be anything else. People, you can have use your own imagination and think of a treasure hunt where from one step to a treasure there are multiple steps. If you finish one step, another step opens up. If you finish another step, it's like a game also, right? You get 500 points, you go to the next level. This way, we can nurture people coming from different sources, collect relevant data, and nurture them to become the qualifier for the middle of the funnel. So we all this data goes to the next level, and we track them through UTM parameter. We should capture the campaign name, ad groups name, even keyword names in UTM parameter so that we can track it. Also, if it is a video view, if it is an engagement, we can track it from the platform itself, Facebook, Instagram, or ad manager, and we can reuse them. So the whole idea is to connect and collect data, connect to the next level. If that is done, we are done with the first level of top of the funnel activities. So that is it about the presentation today, and it was a ground level and a basic level or a very rudimentary level of presentation, keeping in mind that everything need not be complicated. My idea was to just list down what are the activities we can do so that this can be taken, this can be taken away, this can be noted, and this can be done so that we go to the next level. So any question, guys? I think today's was a very quick session, and if any questions, I would love to take. If any feedback, I would also love to take that. And next Sunday we'll talk about middle of the funnel with respect to full funnel marketing. There we'll see how we'll engage, we'll get intent. So get intent by getting their data, taking them further deeper in the full funnel journey. So any questions or any feedback? I would love to take questions. And if you I think there is, if you don't, if you need anything, you can just ping me. If you need the PDF or the PPT, or if you just want a checklist, I can create a one pager and send you so that you can use it. I'll also put it in my newsletter so that it will be accessible for you, so you can get the data. And blog I am yet to put. I was ill throughout January, but yeah, I've come back, bounced back. My family also were ill, but we have bounced back. And this journey is good. Like this LinkedIn live, Facebook live on a specific topic is very good. I'm enjoying it. I'm looking forward to do this every Saturday, sorry, Sunday, 7 o'clock. And people have also started engaging. Abhigyan, thank you to seeing. I think you have started picking digital marketing apart from what you are good at. So reach out to me for any kind of help. I would love to do that. Ganesh, based on the discussion we had, you can implement this in your funnel. Aditya is not there, but yeah, if you had a discussion with him, you can also use that, Aditya. Neeraj and Arpit he himself is a very seasoned marketer. Amar Bhai as an expert, I would love your feedback. And people who are watching, reach out to me. You can message, if you don't want to comment, you can message me that are these the steps I should do in full funnel marketing. I would love to answer your queries, talk to you on chat, and help you out. And teaching is running every day, so the more question you ask, the more enrichment I will get. So that is the benefit I get. So thank you, guys. Thank you for being here. and I love this journey. See you again next Sunday at 7 o'clock on the middle of the funnel. And with respect to full funnel marketing, thank you, Amar Bhai. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, the basics, basically people started saying that, okay, funnelytics, data, all these things are good, but tell me what I can use. Okay, so I said, okay, let's do a trilogy, and we'll have a summary at the fourth session. So thank you again, and good night. Have a great month ahead. Yeah, tomorrow is 31st, but it looks like it like, February is starting. So have a great month ahead. Second month of 2022. I'm sure you have already done your part in January. You must have already implemented certain things. You might have taken a new mission, taken a new smart goal, new people, new objectives, new goals. So start implementing stuffs February to August, September, so that you can achieve it by December. And this is a like a hack I use, that if I have an annual goal, I don't keep it till December. I try to achieve it by August, so that even if I miss, I have 4 months of buffer. If I achieve, I can actually revise my goal, make it bigger. So if you have an annual goal, don't keep it till last moment. Achieve it by August, September, or October max, so that you have time. So all the best for your life, for your family. Stay safe. New variants of corona are coming, and stay safe. Do not take things for granted, and because if you are healthy physically, you can do a lot of things. And all the best. I am very talkative, and I'll keep talking about other stuff. So I'll say bye, and see you next Sunday. Bye.